let me introduce you to 5 cool commands you can explore within the environment of command prompt. And whether you are new to this specialized software or you are a frequent user, you need to have a hand on these basic commands I'm going to share with you in this particular video. And also I will urge you to stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to share 2 bonus that you can also explore within this interface of the command prompt. So without wasting much time, let's dive into this particular video. Now on the desktop, I have this command prompt window open, and presently I have this line of path, which is C:users BTC channel. Now anytime you open a command prompt interface for the first time, you will get this line of path, and the reason is most of the time our operating system is installed on our local C, especially if you have partitioned your hard disk. Therefore you are going to have this C:users and also BTC channel. The reason why I have this BTC channel is because this is the username of this computer system. Yours might be different. You might have it as your personal name or your company's name or any other name that you have for this particular computer during the installation of this operating system. So currently this is the line of path, and the first command I want to share with you is to type dir, which stands for directory. And the purpose of this command is to reveal directories or folders or locations that are in this line of path, especially the last name that you see in the line of path. So this is the name known as BTC channel, and that is the current location that I have in this line of path. So anytime I want to perform any operation or any action within this interface, that is going to take effect in this current name. So when I type dir and press the enter key, now this is what we are going to obtain in this particular interface. So you can see that we have directory of C:users BTC channel. So this tells you that all these directories that we have here are located in this current location. So we have contact, desktop, document, downloads, favorite, links, we have music, OneDrive, and other locations. So the dir command or the dir interpreter command that we use in the command prompt interface always displays directories or locations in a particular location. So in this BTC channel, these are the locations that we have, or these are the directories available in this particular location. So this is the first command. The next command is called cd, and then cd stands for change directory. So presently that we have this line of path which has this particular BTC channel, when I type cd and then press the space bar, I can walk through all these directories that we have here and choose any of them and try to get access to that particular directory. So let's assume I want to get into the desktop location and perform any action. I can type desktop, that is after typing the cd command. Now when you press the enter key, it tells you that this is the present line of path. So now we have C:users BTC channel and desktop. So this is the last location in this line of path. So if I perform anything within this line of path, that is going to take effect on the desktop. So this is our second command. Now before I move to the next command, I will also urge you that if you want to learn more about this special software, which is command prompt, then quickly jump into the description below. I have dropped a link of a separate channel that teaches you more about command prompt, and that is my second channel on the YouTube journey. Get into it, watch more videos, subscribe, and be part of that great community. So when you jump into the description below, you are going to see the link of that particular channel that talks more and also intuitive about command prompt. Now the third command in this interface is the previous command, and the command is cd ... Now the second command says change directory, but this one is previous directory. It means that we want to move back backwards to the previous location. So in this line of path, I have the desktop as the current location. So if I want to move back to the BTC channel location, then I am going to type cd ... Now when I hit the enter key, you can see that I have moved back to this particular location. If I want to get back to this desktop, then I have to use the second command in this video, which is cd. Then you type the name of the location and press the enter key. So this helps you to navigate forward and also backwards of your present location. So that is the third command. The next command is md, which stands for make directory. This allows you to create directories or folders on a particular location. So without stressing ourselves, since this is our current location, that is the desktop, then let's see how we can create folders or directories in this particular desktop. And the desktop we have now is this graphical user interface, and presently these are the icons, which consist of program icons, folder icon, file icon, and other stuffs here. There is no other directory apart from this particular one. So let's see if we create directories using this special command md. Let's see if you are going to have those directories appear on this particular graphical user interface. So in this interface, we are going to type the md, then we press the space bar. Now you type the names of the directories that you want to have in this particular location. So I'm going to have 3 directories created. And now note, when you type the first name of the directory, make sure to provide a space, then you type the second name, space, and the third name. So you can create more than 3, but based on this tutorial, we want to create 3 folders on the desktop. So I'm going to type the names of the directories. Now I have all these names here. So after doing so, you press the enter key on your keyboard. Beautifully, when you move back to the graphical user interface of your computer screen, which is this desktop, you can see that I have all these icons created, and these are directories or folders, and these are the names that we have for it. And when you get to the interpreter interface, that is the command prompt, that is the name that we typed in the interface. So the md command allows you to create directories in a specific location. Now the 5th command before we move to the bonus tip is rd. rd stands for remove directory. So presently we have these 3 directories in the desktop location, and if I want to delete these 2 directories that we have here, then we can use the rd command. So I'm going to type rd, then we type the names of the directories. And after doing so, you press the enter key on the keyboard. Now when you get back to your graphical user interface, these directories are deleted and we have only this icon available. So this is our 5th command. So these are the 5 cool commands I want to share with you. Now let's quickly jump into our bonus tip for this particular video. Now that we have this screen occupied by different typed commands, if you want to clear the screen, we type cls, then you press the enter key on the keyboard. Now this is going to clear everything that you have in this particular screen. Now the last command, which is going to amaze you, that is the bonus for you, is if you could remember when we type the dir in this BTC channel, we had a lot of directories. And now let's assume that you are a frequent user of this special software. Definitely you are going to identify and also access all those directories, and you're going to have them in mind. So you don't need to type the dir to get notice of all those directories, but we can use a simple trick, and that is what I'm going to share with you. But before then, I'm going to use the previous command to get back to the BTC channel, and you know that, right? That is cd ... Now if I type cd, and let's assume that I want to get access to the desktop location, instead of erasing the cd command and using the dir for me to identify the directories in that particular location, I'm going to use a simple trick, and that is the help of the tab key on the keyboard. So I know that the starting letter or the initial letter of the desktop is D, document is D, we have downloads which also start with D. So if I type the letter D, you can see now we have CD and D. Instead of me typing the full name of the location, I can use the tab key on the keyboard and see what happens in this area. Just observe this particular thing that we have here. Tab, you can see that I have desktop, CD desktop. So if this is the location that I want, I can press the enter key. Now if I press the tab key again, I get document, downloads. So you can see how I am navigating through directories that start with the letter D. So you can see that if I want to work within downloads, I'll maintain this and press the enter key. If I want to work within desktop, I'm going to maintain it and press the enter key. And if I want to work within document, I'm going to maintain it and press the enter key. Now if this is not what you want and you want to erase this particular text, you can use Control backspace on the keyboard, and that is going to erase it for you. So let's assume that I have a directory that starts with the letter F. I'll press the letter F, use the tab key. Now I have favorite. Now when I press the tab key once again, I'm not going to have any other location again, because this is the only directory in the BTC channel that starts with the letter F. Control backspace. If I type the letter L, tab, I have links, tab, I have local settings, tab, I have links. It means that these are the two directories that start with the letter L. These are the bonuses that we have in this particular video. And as I said again, jump into the description below. I have a separate link that links you to my second channel, which fully talks about command prompt and other software. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and also if you are new to Banahene Tutorial Collections, subscribe to be part of this great community. I want to see your comment in the comment section and any other question that you want to ask. Let's get into it and enjoy ourselves and keep learning.